persuasion once, remember that it was to persuasion exerted on the side of safety, not of risk. When I yielded, I thought it was to duty, but no duty could be called innate here in marrying a man indifferent to me. All risk would have been incurred and all duty violated.
This video is your guide to Persuasion by Jane Austen. We'll cover what happens, who matters, what the big ideas are, and how to use them in your essays. So, what kind of story is this? If Pride and Prejudice is about first impressions, Persuasion is about second chances. Anne Elliot once broke off her engagement to Frederick Wentworth because she let other people talk her out of it. Years later, they meet again. The question is, can love survive regret, time, and pride? The world of the novel. A few key things to remember. Anne's family belongs to the landed gentry, but they've mismanaged their money. Her father, Sir Walter, cares more about appearances and rank than about character. The naval officers, like Captain Wentworth, are from a different background. They've earned their status and money through work and war. So this is not just a love story. It's also about old status versus new merit and how society is changing. The story in 4 stages. Here's a simple breakdown. The broken engagement and Kellynch. We learn that years ago, Anne was persuaded to reject Wentworth because he had no fortune. Now, her father has to rent out their estate because of money problems. The Crofts, related to Wentworth, move in. Upper cross and awkward reunions. Anne stays with the Musgroves. Wentworth returns, successful and wealthy. They're polite but distant. He seems to pay attention to the Musgrove sisters, especially Louisa. Lyme and the accident. A trip to Lyme adds new characters and drama. Louisa's fall on the Cobb is a major turning point. It makes Wentworth question what he really values and shows Anne's calm strength. Bath, games, and the letter. In Bath, Anne deals with her vain family, the charming Mr. Elliot, and confusing signals from Wentworth. The tension finally breaks with Wentworth's passionate letter, and they reunite. If you can explain those 4 stages, you can show you understand the structure of the novel. Main characters, how to think about them. Anne Elliot, quiet, observant, self-sacrificing. She's older than many fictional heroines and deals with regret and loneliness. Her strength is internal. Captain Wentworth, proud, energetic, hurt by Anne's past decision. He has to learn to see her clearly again and let go of resentment. Sir Walter and Elizabeth Elliot, snobs. They are obsessed with looks, rank, and social lists. They show what Austen criticizes. Admiral and Mrs. Croft, Harville, Benwick, Navy characters who are practical, loyal, and open-minded. They represent a new, more flexible society. In your writing, try to show how Anne and Wentworth change over time, rather than treating them as static. Big ideas you can use in essays. Here are 3 main themes. Persuasion versus independence. As a young woman, Anne lets herself be persuaded to give up Wentworth. Later, she becomes more confident in trusting her own judgment. You can argue that Austen wants people to balance respect for others' advice with staying true to themselves. Second chances and constancy. This is a love story about people who have already lost each other. Wentworth's letter is powerful because it shows love that has lasted through time and silence. Talk about how the novel values steady, constant love over dramatic passion. Old rank versus new merit. Sir Walter judges people by titles and looks. The Navy represents achievement, courage, and flexibility. Austen clearly prefers character and merit to inherited status. How Austen tells the story. You don't just need to know what happens. You need some language for how it's written. Useful points. Focus on Anne's inner life. We see events from Anne's perspective, often through free indirect discourse, where the narrator's voice blends with Anne's thoughts. Silence and subtext. Many scenes feel tense even though characters are being polite. Analyze what's implied rather than spoken. Settings as symbols. Kellynch is old pride and decline. Lime is energy and danger. Bath is performance, show, and social pressure. You can say something like, through quiet interior narration and careful use of setting, Austen shows Anne's emotional journey from regret to renewed hope. Exam and essay tips. To write strong responses on Persuasion, track Anne's development. Compare an early scene where she's passive with a later scene where she speaks more openly. Like her conversation with Captain Harville about constancy. Use the letter. Wentworth's letter is one of the most quotable parts of the novel. Choose 1 or 2 short phrases to memorize and use them when discussing constancy or second chances. Link characters to themes. Don't just describe Sir Walter as vain. Explain how his obsession with rank contrasts with the Navy's values and what that says about social change. To finish, Persuasion is a quieter, more reflective novel than Pride and Prejudice. It asks big questions about whether we can fix past mistakes, who truly deserves respect, and how to stay loyal to what matters. If you can connect Anne's inner journey to the themes of persuasion, second chances, and changing social values, and mention how Austen's style brings this to life, you'll be well prepared for your assessments.
Persuasion once, remember that it was to persuasion exerted on the side of safety, not of risk. When I yielded, I thought it was to duty, but no duty could be called innate here.